We're doing the pre-lab questions at the beginning of the Gizmo first before we even log in.
Miss Gonzalez,
What's up?
we don't do the Gizmo warm-up, right?
Not yet.
Okay.
We're going to do it together. Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay, so at this point you have all of the 2 questions at the beginning of the lab completed, correct?
Yes.
Okay, did everybody log into their explorelearning.com? They got to the HR diagram and they clicked Launch Gizmo, correct?
No.
Okay, do that right now. We're going to do the Gizmo warm-up together. Who's that? Oh, John, you made this up with your ST Francis Prep email and your whatever you wanted as your, remember we did this with the topographic map lab, right? Your username should be your...
Yeah, I got it. I logged in.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I made sure I remember a password that you will remember, because I have no idea, to be honest. Okay, so... Oh, I didn't log in yet. All right, everybody's logged in?
Mine won't let me in for some reason.
All right, keep trying, Riley, because I don't know if I have access to your password. I might, and I might be able to reset it. Let me check real quick. Go back. Where are my classes? This is
mine's not letting me log in either.
All right, where are all you people? Okay, so Riley. Who's the other person?
Trish.
Trish. Okay, so Trisha. Trish right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove you. Okay, I want you to rejoin. I don't know if I can. I don't know what that is.
Oh, that was my password, I guess.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Do you need me to show you again?
Oh, no, it's fine. I remember it.
Okay. Riley. You see it? Riley?
Hey, I'm trying to find it.
You got it?
Yeah, let me try it.
Okay, so.
Miss Gonzalez, I can't get in either.
Who?
Yasmin?
Yasmin. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You good? Go look at your username.
Yes, thank you.
No problem. Yeah, guys, you guys were supposed to create your username as your SD Francis Prep email address. Okay? There's a lot of you in here who did not. You just used your ID number, so there's a difference. So, and some of you guys used your names. All right? So just be careful with that. All right, so let's look at the HR diagram. Okay? You click Launch Gizmo, right? And it takes you to this page. All right, so we are going to follow along in the instructions. Where are you? Well, let me get rid of this. Get rid of that. Okay, so remember, it doesn't matter if you use the Word document or the PDF document. You still need you're still going to need a cover page, and you're going to do a selfie. I'll let you know what the selfie is as we go along. All right, so let's do the warm-up. All right, so it says, in the early 1900s, astronomers identified many star characteristics such as color, size, temperature, and luminosity, or how bright the star is. Using the HR diagram gizmo, you will discover how some of these characteristics are related. You're going to start by moving your cursor over the stars in the star collection, okay? And it's going to give you numbers for luminosity, radius, mass, and comparison to the sun. Okay, so with a star with a radius of 2 suns is twice as large as the sun. Temperature is given using the Kelvin scale, which we know is 200, well, it should be 273 Kelvin is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're first going to go into here, let's move this over, and find the star Betelgeuse. Okay, you are going to take that information and put it into this data table. Do that now. There is a timer for 10:55.
Okay, your timer alarm's on.
Did you guys get all the information and you typed it in? All right, so it has a bunch of other stars like Regulus, Antares, Aldebaran, Polaris. Look, there's Polaris. Okay, Altair, Epsilon Eridani, the sun. Look at the sun compared to everything else. There's Betelgeuse. Okay. Did we get all the information? Yes, no, maybe. Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So it says the sun has a radius of 695,500 kilometers. What is the radius of Betelgeuse? Please figure that out now. Okay, so let's get started on activity A. So to get the gizmo ready, you're going to make sure that the arrange stars is selected. Okay, so arrange stars is selected, right? And that color is selected by the arrange menu. So we have this little dot here, and we have color here. Good so far. Okay, now, how is the color of a star related to its temperature? You're going to predict. So the first question is, based on what you know already, what do you think the color of a star indicates about its temperature? So you're going to give me an answer there. Then, You're going to compare the colors of the following stars in the collection: Aldebaran, Betelgeuse, Sirius B, Spica, the Sun, and Vega. Okay, and you're going to drag the 6 stars to position them where you think they should fit on the Gizmo color scale. Okay, to do this, you're going to collect, once you do that, you're going to check your placements by clicking Sort Stars. So I'm just going to grab a couple. Let's just say this is here. Okay, actually it's probably here. I'm just grabbing random stars. You're going to actually look up and figure out what stars go where, okay, for those specific ones, okay? And when you're done, you're going to click Sort Stars, okay? You're going to take this picture, right, and you're going to put it right on top of here. Okay, you're going to draw it on here, okay? And you're going to say, this is where Vega is, this is where Aldebaran is, this is where all 6 of them. So there should be 6 labels on here. You're going to write it, okay? It's okay to write it on this point, all right?
Miss Gonzalez,
What's up?
the height doesn't matter, right? It's just along the line.
It's just as long as you're just going to write it right on here, like, okay, so this is where this one is, this is where this one is, okay?
Thank you.
So you're going to take a guess as to where they're supposed to be, like we did, right, where I just like kind of threw them all on here, okay? You're going to pick the exact stars that are there. I picked random stars, okay? I picked 6 random stars just because I'm just showing it to you, okay? Once you try and figure it out, you're going to see how well you did by clicking Sort Stars. This, and you can scroll over them for the names, okay? You're going to label on here exactly where they are located, okay? If you would like, I'm going to allow you to take a picture of this part, crop it so that it fits directly over this, and then you're going to label on the circles. That's probably the easier thing for you to do. Okay, you're going to crop it though so that it fits into this space. Okay? Once you do that, you move on. It says on the arranged
Miss
menu.
Gonzalez,
What's that?
I'm sorry, I mean to cut you off, but it's not letting me sort the stars.
Okay, well, let me get through the instructions and then you're going to do it on your own.
Okay.
Okay? So then on the arranged by menu, you're going to go by temperature. Okay? Based on their given temperatures, plot the stars on the Gizmo scale. Mark each star on the scale. Okay? So when you're doing that, you take a guess as to where they should be based on their temperatures, and then again, you click Sort Stars. Okay? And where they should be. Okay? Let's see. Move on. Ha-ha. Ha-ha. That's kind of cool. All right? And then you're going to tell me where they should be. All right, then you're going to answer these questions based on that. That's part A. Okay, part B, it's important because we're going to be dealing with luminosity, mass, and radius that you click Reset. Okay, so this clears everything. All right, then you select Arrange Stars, which it's already selected. Okay, and you're going to select luminosity by the arranged menu. So here, we're going to change this to luminosity. Okay, then we're going to figure out how the star's luminosity, mass, and radius are related. Again, you're going to pick these 6 stars, and you're going to slide them onto the luminosity scale. Okay, and then you're going to click Sort Stars and check your placements. And again, you're going to put them here. Okay, you're going to label them so that I know. So let's just pick 6 random ones, right? Then you click Sort Stars, and this is where they are. Okay. Again, if you would like, you can crop this picture right here and put it right on top, because what I want is the final. I want you to try doing it on your own and clicking Sort Stars. Okay. Then you're going to do the same thing with radius and the same thing with mass. All right. So from there, you're going to answer the questions for activity B. All right. Then for activity C, again, it's very important that you click that reset button. Now we're going to select the HR diagram. So this is going to look like the one from your reference table. Okay? Now, you're going to observe about the temperature. You're going to answer this question, and then you're going to answer the predict. This is where you do the work, is for number 3. You're going to click move all, like we did before. So you click move all. So it's just going to move all of the stars into random positions. Okay, because we know like the super giants are up here, right? So the bigger ones should be up there. Okay. So once you do that, you're going to click the tools palette on the lower left corner and click screenshot. If that doesn't work for you guys, take a screenshot. A lot of you guys are working on your iPads. Okay. Take a screenshot as is. Right? If you're working on your computer, you can go here and click screenshot, and it takes the picture for you. Okay? So that is, you're going to add that to a blank piece of paper at the bottom. Okay? So is that the only one we're going to do? Hold on. Actually, let's scratch that. When you take that screenshot, this is what you and your selfie are going to be of. You're going to take a picture with this. Okay? So that way it's on the cover page, so you don't have to add an extra page. Okay? So, and then you're going to explain the groupings. Okay? Explain how they should be, why they should be, so on and so forth.
Wait, what's our cover page again?
Your cover page is always your name, my name, the number of minutes, today's date, the due date, the lab name, and your selfie with, in this case, it's going to be with this screenshot. Okay?
Okay, the one you just brought up.
When you're, yeah, that's going to be on the front. Remember, it's at the top of the entire thing. So if you're working with this on your computer, guys, you can do this in Word, create an extra page on the top, insert your picture. Okay? You're going to follow along with this, right? And then you're going to answer these questions. This isn't so hard. Okay? Does anybody have any questions? All right, guys, get started. Good luck.
For the color one,